Welcome to the channel. This is Ford Galaxy 2017 model. You can see the dashboard, all lights on, ABS, traction control, hill start, parking sensors, yeah, ESC, service required. Yeah, this is the problem vehicle has at the moment. However, like this problem, I couldn't say anything until I'll plug in the computer. I will plug in the computer and come back to you. Also, before I plug in, when I leave the car running steering straight, you can see all light disappeared. Yeah, basically something say about ABS, but however very tricky. First of all, I'm not going to move the car. I'm turning the wheel and see, when I turn, this problem coming, right? When I do the straight steering, I think it's straight now. We'll see the wheel. Now the wheel straight, and same time I leave it as it is because I'm feeling this is not a, see, light disappeared. All right, it's giving some nice indication for us somewhere when the steering turn, it's trigger up this faulty code, but we need to find out is it which side. First of all, I'll plug in the computer and have a look what's going on here. Got the faulty codes. I can see under the ABS 2 faulty codes. We'll see what is the 2 faulty codes. Right, steering wheel. Right, this is the 2 faulty code for the under the ABS. Steering wheel position sensor, front left speed sensor. Right, okay, already remove the wheel, but visually I can't see any damages, but however, yeah, however I'll turn the wheel and try to find out something. I can see someone done new brake hose. We'll see what's going on here. Right, no any warning at the moment. I'm turning slightly to right. Adinada Malle. Yeah, done the fully lock turn to the right side. Nothing there. Right, now I'm going to left side. Right, I'm going back. Right, no, not yet. Yeah, something coming up when I turn the left. Right, now I'm going to turn to the driver side. When I turn in driver side, this one not stretching, nothing. In here, something rubbing. Yeah, turn other way around. When you turn other way around, you can see this one push. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm feeling something not right this section, but however, at the moment, yeah, I need to remove the complete sensor and visually have a look what's going on there. Right, okay, already remove the old sensor. I took it off the cover. Visually I couldn't find anything, but I feeling internal somewhere it's broken somewhere, but visually I can't find. But however, I'll install the new sensor. Right, I'm going to leave it as it is and start the car, and we'll see what's going on. Fix the new sensor. I didn't use computer at all. We'll see what happened to the dashboard. Turning fully locked to the left, nothing there. Fully locked to the right, nothing there. Yeah, now if you have a like this problem, you know what to do. No need to panic. Just use the technique, you will be fine. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open for you. No need to too much panic. Very easy. Follow step by step. You will get the answer. See you with the next video.